welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be making my favorite creamy garlic pasta. So flavorful and creamy, makes for a fantastic pasta. Only needs a few ingredients and can be paired with your favorite pastas or raviolis. I'm starving for some pasta, so let's get started making this creamy garlic pasta. Let's get into the ingredients. 3 cups cooked pasta, 2 cups heavy cream, 8 minced garlic cloves, a half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, a half a teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon parsley, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, add 2 tablespoons oil, minced garlic, once the garlic is golden brown, add in the heavy cream. Bring it to a simmer. Let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Add shredded Parmesan cheese. Simmer for 5 minutes. Add pepper, salt, nutmeg, parsley. Simmer for 5 to 10 minutes or until the sauce thickens up. Add in the cooked pasta. Look at this mouth-watering pasta. I hope you enjoyed this video. I can't say enough how wonderful this dish is. It's simple and definitely delicious. Give this a try and let me know in the comments below or tag me on Instagram. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for my upcoming videos. And I'll see you guys on my next video.